Hello YouTube, 10 amazing properties of strawberries that you had no idea. Strawberries are one of the most beloved berries in our latitudes. Many appreciate its delicious taste, but few people know about the healing properties of these red berries. But strawberries not only have the strongest healing effect on the human body, but can also serve as a natural cosmetic and help you look better. 1. Strawberries will make your teeth whiter. The next time you decide to visit the dentist to whiten your teeth, do it differently. Save your time and just enjoy strawberries. Due to the strong concentration of vitamin C in the composition, it is able to destroy plaque, which is why teeth turn yellow. Periodically using a mixture of strawberries, you will notice a significant improvement in the color of your teeth very quickly. 2. Strawberries reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer these days and should never be ignored. Strawberries included in the daily diet can significantly reduce the risk of such diseases. The L-igic acid contained in it controls cholesterol levels. Plus, vitamin C helps in strengthening your blood vessels and arteries, and strawberries are just full of it. 3. Strawberries slow down aging. We age because our cells age. Strawberries will help slow down this process. The strong antioxidants contained in its berries effectively counteract free radicals, the main culprits of aging. Studies have shown that for effective action it is enough to eat a few strawberries every day half an hour after dinner. 4. Strawberries are really effective against acne. If you are tired of skin problems in the form of acne and pimples, just spend an hour preparing and applying a strawberry fruit mask and you will be impressed with the results. While the strawberry mask is on the face, its antioxidants will effectively cope with skin problems. 5. Strawberries lighten freckles. If you do not like annoying freckles, do not spend money on expensive creams, use strawberries. Used regularly, a strawberry shake applied to freckles can brighten them up nicely. The greatest effect is achieved in combination with other products, lemon juice, sour cream and papaya. 6. Eat strawberries and fight asthma and allergies. If you're tired of dealing with asthma or allergies with medication, it might be time to try something different. Thanks to the anti-inflammatory effects of berries and strawberries, they can help fight all kinds of allergy symptoms, such as a runny nose, hives, and watery eyes. Various studies show that you can actually reduce the incidence of asthma by changing your diet. 7. Strawberries will help your body produce happy hormones. Scientific studies have proven that depression depends on the mental state of a person, but this does not mean that we cannot fight it by consuming natural ingredients. For signs of depression, try eating strawberries. The berries prevent the formation of unhealthy levels of homocysteine, which allows the blood to deliver nutrients to the brain unhindered. 8. Strawberries are a delicious dessert with an anti-cancer effect. The antioxidants contained in strawberries will also help in the prevention of cancer. The next time you decide to make a homemade dessert, don't forget to add some of these magical berries to it. 9. Strawberries take care of your eyesight and help get rid of bags under your eyes. The miraculous properties of strawberries can also be used for aesthetic purposes. If you have problems with dark bags under your eyes, you should know that strawberries can help get rid of them. Its anti-inflammatory effect and whitening properties are the perfect combination to combat under-eye circles. In addition, vitamin C contained in berries helps in the prevention of eye diseases, such as cataracts. 10. While expecting a baby, don't limit your cravings for strawberries. If you are a mother-to-be, then consuming a balanced amount of strawberries during pregnancy will be very beneficial. These miracle berries contain a sufficient amount of vitamins and minerals necessary for the growth of the child. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.